Very welcome to all of you in the class of Job Detector. If you get any benefit from me in this class, so please subscribe the channel and like the video. I am Pawan Kumar and this is my first class. So let us start the first question of the topic of statics. Here is given the first question. So we will start from this question. This is the here is the question. So you can see the question is given: if the mean of the frequency distribution is 7.5 and sigma fi is equal to 120 plus 3k comma sigma fi is equal to 30, then k is equal to, this question asks that what is the value of k. Then here we can see that the value of mean is given here. You can see 7.5 is value of mean, and here fixi is given the value. So we know the formula of mean, uh, that mean is equal to sigma fi xi, right, by sigma fi. So we can see that mean value is given 7.5, so we can put the 7.5 value in the place of mean. So we place it 7.5 in the place of mean, and here the given of value sigma fixi is 120, sorry, 120 plus, it is 120, okay. You understand that this 3k, right, okay, and by the value of fi is 30, right. Here it is given 120, okay. So when we will into 30 into 7.5, then the value will become 3 5s are 15, so we can write here 5, carry 1 forwarded, 3 7s are 21, then 22, and here is point, then value is nothing, means after 0 is nothing. So here is 120 plus 3k, right, 3k. So when we will subtract with 225 with 120, then 200 minus 100 is become 125, and 125 minus 20 it will become 105, right. 105 is equal to 3k. So when we divide the 3 with 105, then it will come 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15, so 35. Here the option number B is the right answer, right. So let's move on the another question. Here is the next question, right. Let's start. Here the question is given: the mode and the mean is given by 7 and 8 respectively, then the median is. So here given the question, here given the value of mode and mean as 7 and 8, you can see over here. So we know the relations of mode, mean and median is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, right. As you were familiar with this formula, it is mean. Here I am written, it is mean, right. So we need to find median. So we can write here mode, here minus will become positive, so 2 plus 2 mean, right, and 3 will go to the denominator, and here it it will written as only median. So mode value is given 7, so we will write 7 here, and mean value is 8, so 2 8 16, 2 into 8 is equal to 16, and here by 3, So 17 and 6 17 and 6 will 23 by 3. So this is the by 3. So this is the median value. So where is this option? It is option in C. So 23 by 3 is the right answer. Let's move on the next question. Here the question is given, the mean of the data is given. क्या कितना दिया ये 4 10 5 9 and 12. So we need to find the mean. So we know कि mean is equal to क्या होता है, mean is equal to होता है कि sum of observation by total number of observation So here sum of the observation is what given, what value is given. So here given is 4 plus 10 plus 5 plus 9 by 12, right? By total number of observe what in how much quantity, 1 2 3 4 5. So here is 5 number total. Okay, so we will write in the denominator as a 5. So when we will add it, 9 12 21 21 and 4 25 25 and 5 is how much, 30 30 plus 10 is 40. So 40 by 5, when we'll divide it from 5 into 8, so here the mean value is 8. So option A is the right answer. The question is given, if the mean of first n natural number is 3n by 5, then the value of n is. So the value of n is given here is 3n by 5, then the value of n is. So we know the value of n is equal to mean of first natural number is n plus 1 by 2, and total number of observation is n, right? So here n and n will cancel, and the mean value is given here is 3n by 5, right? So we will cross multiple it, so it will 6n is equal to 5n plus 5, right? So when we will when we will subtract it from left side, it will come 6n minus 5n is equal to n minus 5. So right side will become 0, and so n is will be 5, n is equal to 5. So the correct answer is number C, 5. Okay, move to the next question. Here is the question. So let's solve it. Here it is given, if arithmetic mean of a comma a plus 3 comma a plus 6 and a plus 12 is 10, then a is equal to, it's mean the questions want to know that what is the value of a. So we know that mean is equal to sum of observation by total number of observation. So sum of observation is given a plus 3, a plus 6, a plus 9 and a plus 12. So we will sum all of this A plus series, and total number of observation is here 1 1 2 3 4 5 5. Total number of observation is 5, right? So arithmetic mean is given value is 10. So we will place here in the place 10 in the place of mean. Here we will put 10. Sum of observation, let's try to add it. How many A is here? 1 2 3 4 5. 5A is given, so we will write 5A, and the number is 3 plus 6 and 9, 9 18, 18 और 12 30. So here we will write 30, and here 5. So we will, when we will multiply it, and it will be cross multiply, then it will become 50 minus 30 is equal to 5A, right? So it will become 20 is equal to 5A. So 5 4 5 into 5 को 4 से काटेंगे 20 में, तो A इज इक्वल टू 4 होगा। तो राइट आंसर 4 है, ऑप्शन नंबर डी। चलिए चलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। So the next question is given here. The class interval of a observation is 10 to 15. So then the class mark of this interval. तो यहाँ पे ये क्या पूछ रहा है कि क्लास मार्क क्या है। So we can write, here is given the upper limit is equal to, what is the upper limit? Upper limit is 15 because it is larger, so upper limit will, and the lower limit is 10, right? So class mark will be, we know class mark formula. Class mark is equal to lower plus upper by 2. So upper is 15 and lower is 10. So we will write here 10, and the formula says in denominator as 2. So 10 plus 15 is 25 by 2. So half of 25 will be 12.5. So B is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Okay. Here is the another question. यहाँ पे दिया है ये कि if sum of frequency is 24, then the value of x in the observation x, 5, 6, 1, 2 will be. तो हम लोग जानते हैं कि यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी सम दिया 24 और ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ वैल्यू यहाँ पे डेटा दिया है इसका ये यहाँ पे। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, x का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए इसको इक्वल कर देंगे। यहाँ सम ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी 24 है, तो यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं सम ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी is equal to observation value, right? Observation value, so observation value is our, this is the observation value. So sum of frequency is 24, so we will write here 24, and observation value is x plus, here we will sum it, right? So x plus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2. When we will add it, and it will come 5 6 11 11 1 12 12 दो 14 x plus 14, right? So we will subtract it from 24. When we will subtract 14 from 24, then x is equal to will come as a 10. So option number D is the right answer. Let's move on the next question. Let us adjust the question. Okay, here is 1 minute. Here is the data is given of frequencies. Okay, so here we it's asked the mean of the following distribution is. So we know that mean is, okay, sorry, it's my mistake. Let's first take the pen. Here mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So first we need to multiply fi xi. Here is given the data of fi xi, right? So let's multiply. 11 into 3 is 33. 14 into 6 is 84. 70 into 8 is equal to 136. 17 into 20 140. 140. Okay, it is 140, right? Okay, let's sum it. Fi and xi is equal to 136, and 136 plus 140 will be 230 and 40 70, and 170 276. 276 plus 84 plus 33 is 117. 117, sorry, 117. When we will when we will add this sum, all the sum, then it will come 1 no, it's 7, and 7 6 13, carry 1 8 1 9, and here is 1 393, right? So 393 will come the value of fi xi, and we also need, here we have the value of fi xi, right? What we have done here, we have add all this data, right? So when we will add all this data, then 393 will come, and here we need to add the fi. So here need is f 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 8, 9 8 17. 17 plus 7 is how much? 17 and 7 is 24, right? So f1 is equal to 24. So we will write here the value of fi xi is 393, and the value of fi is 24. So we will write in the denominator as a 24. So let's divide it. 24, it will divide by one time. 1 24 means 6 9 15, 153. 24 into 6 will be 144 and point. Then definitely I think not, I'm confirmly sure that the answer will be 16.4, the option number D, right? So when we will divide, then this option will come. Okay, let's move on the next question. Following frequency distribution of height of 60 students of a class, the sum of lower limit of model class and upper limit of maiden class. So here is the question is given to sum the lower limit of model class and the upper limit of maiden class. Here the cumulative frequency is given, and if you are not getting the cumulative frequency, then you can write it from like this. Here is given 15, and 15 plus 13 is 28, and 13 plus 38, and so on, and you can easily find the cumulative frequency, right? So we know that mean is equal to n by 2, so here is required to add the frequency. So 15 plus 5 is equal to 20, 20 plus 10 is equal to 30, right? 30, 13 plus 9 is equal to 21 plus 21, sorry, 13 plus 8, 13 plus 9 is equal to 22, 22 plus 8 is equal to 30, 30 plus 30 means 60, and 60, when we divide to 60 by 2, then it will come 30. So 30, so 30, so 30 in larger than the 30 is 38. So the it is the median class. Median class is, it can be called as a median class. So it is lies on the same line, so it is median class, right? It is called median class. And here the question is asked that the upper limit of the median class. So upper limit is 165. 160 is not a upper limit, 165 is a upper limit, 165 is upper limit. And here is given model class. Model class is called which is जो कि बड़ा हो फ्रीक्वेंसी में सबसे, तो सबसे बड़ा क्या है 15 है, 15 है। अब 15 में यहाँ पे पूछता है कि लोअर लिमिट क्या है, लोअर लिमिट है 150 ना कि 155, लोअर लिमिट यहाँ पे 150 है, तो यहाँ पे 150 वी विल राइट, सॉरी ये 1 है 150। तो यहाँ जब हम सम करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ क्वेश्चन दिया है दी सम ऑफ लोअर लिमिट एंड दी अपर लिमिट, तो जब सम करेंगे तो 5 हो जाएगा, 6 5 11 कैरी 1 तो 315। सो द राइट आंसर विल बी 315, ऑप्शन नंबर बी। ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू। आज का क्लास यहीं तक समाप्त हुआ। अब अगले क्वेश्चन में हम लोग फिर से मुलाकात करें। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और फॉलो कीजिएगा इस चैनल को। ओके, थैंक यू, बाय।